debate and class work. Let's read the chapter. Let us have lunch. So, as I have told you the name of the fruits and vegetables that are shown in this picture, you have to circle the one that you like. जो fruits और vegetables आपको अच्छा लगता है आपको उसे सर्कल करना है ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई लाइक मैंगो व्हाट आई विल डू circle this and this is a vegetable that you like you have to circle that if you like orange if you like apple then circle that after this let's read the chapter ting 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 the school bell rings it is time for lunch whenever अभी तो यू आर नॉट कमिंग टू स्कूल बट जब आप स्कूल आते थे बेटा हाँ तो व्हाट यू यूज टू डू इट हैपन ना ऐसा होता था कि लंच होता था एकदम व्हेन योर क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन आपकी क्लास चल रही है बट सडनली जब बेल हो जाती है दैट मीन्स लंच हो गया तो यू गेट्स एक्साइटेड आपको अच्छा लगता है स्पेशली जब मम्मा ने आपकी जो आपको अच्छा लगता है आपकी पसंद वाला लंच दिया है राइट होता है ऐसा प्रथम हाँ so the school bell rings it is time for lunch ये lunch time है the children wash their hands under the water taps yes this is also very important and what is this you are washing the hands जब भी आप लंच के लिए जाते हो या फिर even at your home you are having a breakfast or dinner you wash your hands right you should wash the hands now where under the water taps के नीचे they spread out their napkins after washing their hands what are the children doing they are wiping off their hands and then they are just spreading their napkins on their lap they open their lunch boxes Vani has rice and dal Vani क्या लाई है what is Vani having in her lunch she is having rice and dal Gurpreet has noodles Aziz has parathas with butter. Ron has a sandwich. Vasu has muffins with jam. Deepti has lemon rice. Look at the fruits kept on their desk. Yummy, yummy. So now we will be underlining the words. What are the words? School bell rings. Bell. You should know the spelling of bell. Rings. Rings means बजती है बेल रिंग होती है आपके फोन बेल मोबाइल का जब रिंग टोन भी तो रिंग करता है ना बेटा जब फोन आता है सिमिलरली बेल एंड हाउ द बेल इज रिंगिंग और ना हाउ द बेल इज रिंगिंग
Yes, ma'am.
ting 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 no yes ma'am
Ring,
you are not
ring.
paying attention ting ting children are washing their hands wash अभी तो वैसे भी we should wash our hands ना if we are going anywhere out or if we are coming from outside, we should wash our hands, we should sanitize our hands. Similarly, before having any sort of food, जब भी हम अपना कोई भी meal लेते हैं, before that and even after that, we should wash our hands under the water taps, tap के नीचे, right? After that, they are spreading their napkins. Spread. Learn the spelling of spread napkin. Then you should know what everybody is bringing. This you have to learn. वानी के पास क्या है राइस एंड दाल गुरप्रीत क्या लाए हैं नूडल्स हु लाइक नूडल्स किसे पसंद है नूडल्स जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स इफ यू लाइक नूडल्स आफ्टर दैट अजीज हैज पराठास विद बटर रॉन क्या है रॉन के पास सैंडविच okay now let me ask you few questions from that then we will be continuing or we will be moving to the next page set a cap on the table. Yummy. Fruits on the desk. What are the fruits? Apple, orange. Can you see? Then coming on the next page, that is page number 46. The children eat their lunch. Then they eat the food. Lunch what they all have brought, what they have brought. Then they eat the fruits. After the lunch, they are having their fruits. Means they have finished their lunch. It's not like कि मैम हमें नहीं खाना या नहीं खाया जा रहा, ऐसा नहीं है. Those children are very good. बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं वो, और उन्होंने अपना सारा लंच फिनिश कर दिया है. They have finished their all lunch. They eat their fruits even. उन्होंने अपने fruits भी खा लिए. They shut their lunch boxes. आफ्टर दैट उन्होंने अपने टिफिन बॉक्स लाते हैं वो उन्होंने उसको बंद किया. अपने नैपकिन्स को फोल्ड किया. दे फोल्ड देयर नैपकिन्स. देन दे कीप द लंच बॉक्सेस एंड द नैपकिन्स इन देयर बैग्स. आफ्टर दैट उन्होंने अपने नैपकिन्स को और लंच बॉक्स को बैग में रखा. आफ्टर दैट दे वॉश देयर हैंड्स, because ma'am has told you na कि we should like wash our hands before and after the lunch. So even lunch finish करने के बाद भी they went and they washed their hands. And the bell rings again. Again bell ring हुई. That bell rings means the lunch has over. But they go out to play in the playground. The lunch time is over and then it's their playtime. So they went outside and they played. To underline the words children, lunch, eat, fruits we have already underlined, shut, lunch boxes, fold, napkins, bags, again, and playground. So, what all you have to learn, what has Vani brought? Vani has brought rice and dal. Gurpreet has brought noodles. Aziz has parathas with butter. Imran has sandwich. Vasu has muffins with jam. He has lemon rice. Okay. Napkins, paratha, butter. Also underline the word playground. See how you have to read the chapter. बेटा आपको रीडिंग तभी आएगी जब आप रीडिंग करोगे. और आपको रीडिंग कैसे करनी है? बाय ब्रेकिंग द वर्ड्स. आप वर्ड्स ब्रेक कर दो. ठीक, ये बहुत बड़ी स्पेलिंग है, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस, तो आप इसको ब्रेक करो. व्हाट इज दिस वर्ड? फर्स्ट आप हाफ वाला वर्ड पढ़ोगे. व्हाट इज दिस वर्ड? PLAY, play. Then read this, grow, ground. So the whole word is playground. Take your pencils in your hand और देखो जैसे मैम ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड के नीचे अंडरलाइन कर रही है या मैम ऐसे यूज कर रही है कर्सर. सिमिलरली आपको पेंसिल रखनी है हर वर्ड के नीचे एंड यू हैव टू रीड द होल चैप्टर. यू हैव टू रीड इट लाउडली. आप बेटा तेज तेज पढ़ोगे तभी आपको रीडिंग आएगी. ओके. अगर आप रीडिंग नहीं करोगे तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. नाउ दिस यू विल बी डूइंग योरसेल्फ. अब आप मैम को बताओगे वानी क्या लाई है लंच में. व्हाट हैज गुरप्रीत ब्रॉट? वानी हैज ब्रॉट राइस एंड दाल. Gurpreet has brought noodles. This you have to write. This we will be doing. Let's first see the second question. Put a tick mark for the sentences that are correct. जो sentences ठीक होंगे हमें उसके आगे भी आपको पूरे टिक मार्क, हमें टिक लगाना है, टिक करना है. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. What has Vani brought? Rice and dal. Gurpreet has brought noodles. Aziz has brought parathas with butter. Acha, Ron has brought sandwich. Okay, you have to learn this. ये आपको बेटा learn भी करना है. So what are they doing? Mama and Rohit market गए हैं and Rohit is choosing the fruits. Rohit is buying the fruits, whereas mother is buying the vegetables. So out of these all, what you have to do, bacha? You have to write what mother will buy, and in this circle, you have to write what Rohit will buy. For example, cherries. Cherry is a fruit or a vegetable? Cherry is a fruit, right? So fruit, who will buy fruit? Rohit or mother? Rohit will buy. So I will write cherry in this. Oh, cherry is already written. Then let's come to peas. Peas, matter. That is a fruit or a vegetable, Arnav?
Ma'am, fruit. Ma'am, vegetable.
Yes, vegetable. So vegetable I'll write in the mother section. Here, peas is already written. So similarly, we will continue this. In your notebooks, you will be writing the name of the chapter, date, classwork. Then you will be writing the content. First of all, you would be writing the content part that I'll be sharing in homework tab. After that, you have to write down the new words and word meaning. And you have to learn it as well. आपको ये learn भी करना है. First of all, do your book work, then you have to do your notebook work. And keep on learning.